Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ke praterek ubnai risau arjar kat pra. Kayeng dorbar thawan jong kani ke jela Meghalaya. Kala do no yo wei ni kiro san pertai ubana po rilum garo u Clement Marak ubal Khlad kendet no Haka hospital ke bawah Syak Sumar. Hanong ba Delhi na ke Jingpang Klongsnam. U Clement Marak udah unong mikmat syakayeng dorbar thawan ke jela na sel-sela constituency kabah Papua ke West Garo Hills District. But ulalong MLA haki South Liki Samoy. Ula job nikong ke election MLA haki election siteng Samoy House Nam Arjar San. Da ke bapeliem yo Konrad ke Sangma. Henry House Nam Arjar Prapan ula syarem kela hau Konrad Sangma. Day House Nam Arjar Khatlai Clement Marak ula job biang ke election MLA bat betengru ke jing job hadu usnam Arjar Khatlai bat hau ni usnam Arjar Khatpra. Nadu basdang haka kamsan hima sima ulai khun ke election na kasen kongres ba ulalong tengru menteri sarkar bat khmiru ya ketnat boarding bat kwe de kitnat ya kamet jong Clement Marak lawan kitno henne kasngi ka khandai trek ubnai risau Arjar Khatpra syakni kanong ba shlong haka yeng sa jong u hapo lom ding so nong tmai bat pun kit ya kamet syakasnong jong upan lasai kasngi ka shipho trek urisau bat ya kamet jong u antap dan buram no haka khatwei trek hapo kasnong jong u hapo silsila.
He is contemporary with me. He was also elected 3 times as I am. So as a person, he is a real gentleman. And he is quiet by nature. And he is a very nice and good friend of mine. He is like a friend and also like a brother for me. And with his demise, it's been a great loss to the family, of course. Then next, it's been a great loss to the constituency, Silsila constituency, and also the Congress party and the state as a whole. I want to share my experience when he was ailing. He was hospitalized. I was there with him 1 week back when he was in the hospital in Delhi. So he was regretting that even after being elected, he is not being able to serve the people of his constituency. So I was just telling him that even we could not do anything as yet within the last 6 months. But he was saying that our case is different. That means he was anticipating the situation to be like this beforehand. He was a very nice man, and as a minister also, he used to always consult with all the colleagues and the chief minister before taking any decision. So he was very disciplined that way. As a minister, as an MLA, and as a father, as husband, and as the head of the family, he was committed, and whatever assignment was given to him, he used to try his best to accomplish the assignment given to him.
I'm very saddened to know about the demise of late Mr. Clement Marak. He has been a very good friend of mine. Before he was even elected to the assembly, actually we were childhood friends. He was elder to me, but we went to the same school, so we knew him. I knew him a lot, and we were actually working together politically. When he joined politics also, we were working together, but later on we had to go separate ways, but we still kept in touch and we still remain good friends. Now I was also in touch with him, but during his last days I could not talk to him, but he was not in town, so we could not speak together, but in my heart he still remains a good friend. And his family, I want to condole the death. I offer my deep condolences to the family, bereaved families, his wife and his children. May God grant them the strength to bear this great loss. I am also very saddened. I am not able to speak much, but he was very close to me, and he would always remain close in my heart.